Today we are going to make a penguin. Take a sheet and fold it into half. Now to get a center line here. Now fold the corner to meet the center line. Now do same with the other side. Now flip it over and fold it into half. Now fold this part upwards to make the wings of the penguin. Now do same thing with the other side. Now fold it downwards. And do the same with the other side. Now open this up. And now fold this part downwards and again upwards and then again downwards. It makes a zigzag pattern. Now fold this and pull this part outside to make the head. It looks something like this. Now open this and fold the bottom part inside. Now fold this and pull the bottom part outside to make the tail of the penguin. Now let's stick the eyes of the penguin. Now our penguin is ready. Take a look. Stay tuned for more creative ideas. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.